Hey guys, welcome to our villa. First thing you see when you walk in is this amazing view right here. You actually have it where if you want the screen down, you just press this button and it starts to lower down. That way if you leave or anything, you don't want bugs in your place, you can just close that. Over here we have a mirror. There's like a bunch of mirrors in this place. A little coffee maker. They give you water. They give you this free little mini bar where you can drink whatever you want in here. They refill it every day. So that's free. And then our luggage. And then look this way and you have some seats and our private little pool over here. And then here's just a drying rack if you want to put like your wet swimsuit and stuff in here. And then come show them this amazing view that you have overlooking the ocean. And you see little islands and it's just so peaceful. Here is the bedroom. They have this sliding door here. That way you can just keep it cool inside. Come. Okay, they have a little area over here where you can just sit down and lounge and look outside. And there's like glass windows everywhere. They have this TV that you can move around. They do have like some English channels if you guys want to just sit and watch TV all day. And then here's our bed that overlooks the ocean. You get an amazing view everywhere in this villa. So that's really nice. And then if you come this way, you have like some areas if you want to unpack your stuff in. You can put them in these little cubbies. You have it comes with 2 robes and actually 2 house slippers that are actually still out there because we use them. A nice sized closet if you want to unpack, and then if you kind of want to just like not show what you have over here, you can just close this and then open it. It comes with a little beach bag that you can take out on the beach, so that's cool. And then the bathroom area is right here. You can also close it for privacy. The curtains go along this way as well. And then we have this amazing shower that we love. It's a really nice shower. I don't know what kind of, do you know what this is? Material this is? But it's a really nice, solid shower. And it actually has a little shower up there and then a tub if you want to fill it up. Then if you come over here, you have your his and her sinks, which are really nice as well. Yeah, that is pretty much it. It was only like how much? Like $140 or $100?
$160.
$160 a night. We're only here for 3 nights, and we actually leave today to go to a different hotel. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and then all the information for this hotel will be listed down below. That way if you guys ever come to Phuket and you want to stay here, you can just click the link below. That is it for this tour.